Hi, hello, I'm Miss Patricia Ann, and I have a little mini shopping haul for you guys. This is my Walmart planner I got for right at $10, and I got these cute little ink pens. And I've already been working with this one right here, so I know they work pretty good. And I got these for $1 a piece at Family Dollar. So let's get right into this planner. As you can see, it is a pretty good quality planner, and it's just pink all over. As you can see, this is just a heavy-duty planner, and it's really cute. I love the lettering on it. It's in gold lettering. It says, "Amazing things will happen in 2020, and we hope so." So it's a cute little quote. Now, this little card that it came with, which I will be tearing off, it's a weekly monthly planner. It's mint green. So it's 2020 planner, January 2020 through December 2020, and it's 60% recycled. Recycled fresh. Is made in Taiwan. So yeah, let me just go ahead and take this right off, because I will not be having that on my planner when I use it. And I'll just maybe use this as a little bookmark or just toss it away. So again, I paid $10 for this planner. I'm super excited to see if I'm going to actually love it or not. Okay, now let's open it up and see what's inside. When you first open it up, it has this cute little panel on this side, and it's just polka dots. I really like this theme, and I feel like, see, I've been wanting to wear more different colors because I'm always wearing just pink, and this has maybe inspiration for me to wear different colors because I always like to have my nails painted, and I just feel so much more organized. So when I seen this planner, I had to get it just because I was in love with the stickers. These stickers are really, really cute. Get you in focus here. You can see my favorite one that was pointed out to me when I first seen it was date night. We have a lot of date nights, so I'm excited for that. Workout. Maybe this will motivate me to work out. Road trip, because I've been wanting to take more road trips. Maybe I can actually plan that. And, well, you know, I am in a relationship, so maybe. Girls' night. I do need to have more girls' nights. Vacation. We have been wanting to take a vacation, so maybe we can use these stickers. Hair. Yeah, I need to get my hair done. And dentist. Oh my goodness. I don't even want to look at that. Don't even want to look at that. But coffee. And there are just so many fun stickers here already. And there's another page. It's 2 pages. And then right here, it's a whole different page of stickers. Make it happen. Just quotes. Stay positive. You got this. Dream big. Best day ever. One day at a time. Have fun. Today is your day. I really love these stickers. They're really, really cute. And there's 2 pages of those. And then there is more stickers. These right here really sparked my interest. There's clear. I can write on them, do whatever I want to. And to do, you know, I make my to-do list. So reminder, priority. I'm super excited to use these. I got 2 sheets of those as well. And that is all for the stickers. So let's get right into the planner itself. The first page is 2020 planner. And it belongs to, you know, we fill it out. And then it has, over here, it has important information. Let me just fill that out. And that has a contact, which I need to actually fill this out and probably put like addresses and stuff in it. So excited for that. I'm really bad at keeping addresses, so then maybe I can use that page for addresses. And then just the 21, because I have a problem with like wanting to plan ahead. Like as soon as I get something and it's like, oh, you don't have to renew until 21, and then, you know, that's like a year later, I can always circle it here and write it in here. So, and then it has the holidays over here. Okay, so create your own sunshine. See, this is really, I usually just get the dollar planners, and they just got the little dates in them. I'm so excited for this one. And then this right here is really cute. Live a colorful life. And it has your to-dos over here, your goals, and important dates, birthdays. See, I am so excited for this planner. You just don't even know. And then over here on the sides, look how cute these are. So cute. Different colors, so I can just go in there and pull out. And it's big enough sizes, too, for me to actually write in what I need to write in, because I always write my bills and everything in here, so Go back. Okay, so this is January. Oh, we see you. We see you. So it starts out as January 2020, right? But when you go over here, it has December 2019 right here, 2 days in the year. And then we start our new year. I like that. I'm liking that. And look at the bottom of it. Look at cute little quotes on every page. Oh my goodness. Really like that. And each page has notes at the end. Each month, I mean. Not each page, but you know what I meant. I love that. Let life surprise you. Ooh. Every day is a fresh start. Yes, yes, yes. February is the same. I can't wait to start planning in this. Oh my goodness. I like the little quotes at the bottom. Okay, so let's get right into, let's look at, hold on, let's go to this page. Ooh, now is the new later. Love that. For March. Collect beautiful moments. Ooh, let's see what May has. Enjoy every moment. Ooh. Follow your bliss. Ooh. Today is the day. That's actually funny because we have important things that happen in July. And oop. Let the good times roll. Find the beauty in every day. So I'm just really loving this quote. It's got motivation, and I'm loving this planner. Say yes to the new adventures. Something beautiful is on the horizon. Make today count. Oh, look at this. The very last page, it's like what feels like the end is often the beginning of a new year. And it has a little bit for January 21. 3 days into that year. And here's the back of it. So yeah, guys, this is my planner that I am very excited to be using. Look how thick it is. And I cannot wait to see what I put in it.